The Bulgari Suite at Bulgari Dubai is a hotel for intelligent people. Oh, the choice of books. The view is splendid. The fittings are pretty good too. A little note, as if from the GM, Pep, who's a legend. A reminder that this is Bulgari on the television, and the view in the background, the skyline of Dubai. I've got a cake and something to eat and two Bulgari books. There are lots of birds outside. They seem to like this terrace. I'm going to have to keep the doors closed. That's the yacht club there. This looks like a bot, but I think it's some kind of heater. Book on polo there, piano, 1,000 iconic watches, 100 contemporary houses, Italy. Carry on round. Fully stocked bar, lots of water. Dressing room with a set of weights, shoe trees, solid storage for the wheelie, nice full-length mirror, the bathroom, Bulgari toiletries, of course, and small sizes. I can certainly turn on the shower without getting wet. Business cards. There is personalization here, but it's Bulgari personalization. And there ain't nothing wrong with that, mate. Here in Dubai.